I didn't build an app. I didn't raise capital. I didn't even leave my house, but I was able to make $10,000 in just a few weeks of selling an online course. Now in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it. And I'm not talking about those, motivational stories and all of that, telling you to aspire, telling you to have the right mindset and all that. No, I'm going to show you real strategies, things I did, things that you can model today to build your own online course business and make a lot of money doing it. And if you have always wondered, I want to build an online course, I want to make money selling my knowledge and all of that, but I don't know how to go about it, you want to stay till the end of this video. And the reason I'm telling you to stay till the end is because in this video, I'm going to break down step by step, number one, how we were able to sell this course without even creating it first, how we're able to build our wait list, and how we're able to scale it to thousands of dollars in just a few weeks. So make sure you stick around till the end of this video. So it all started from my podcast. By the way, if you don't watch my podcast, I don't know. You live under the rock. It's called the Entrepreneurs Connect Show. So it's time for my podcast. I interviewed this freelancer called Messiah. Now, this guy was quietly earning in dollars. No hype, nothing like that around him, right? But his story was quite compelling and unique. So after we wrapped up the episode, I asked him, do you have a course on freelancing? And he said, no. And I'm like, let's create one then. Now, it took him a few weeks back and forth to finally agree because he didn't want to put himself out there and all that, but I was able to prevail on him, and in a few weeks, we were ready to create our course. He had the freelancing knowledge, I had the marketing knowledge, I had the sales systems and all of that. And that was how what we call the Profitable Freelancing Academy was born. Now, before we even recorded any bit of the course, what I did was to put up a wait list, okay? And the goal of this wait list was to validate our idea if there are people that are willing to learn. So I went under the YouTube video and I put up this post. If you want to learn how to land freelancing gigs that pays you at least $500 a month, all you need to do is to join this waitlist now. Messiah and I are going to break it down. We're going to show you how it works and all of that. And I put that up on the comment section of the YouTube video. I also put that up on my WhatsApp status. And before you know it, we had over 500 people join the waitlist. This was how we gauged interest for it. Eventually, inside of the group, we made what we call a pre-order offer. So I had Messiah come and break down everything we were going to share in the training. So after that breakdown, we put up an account number, we made the slots, discounted a few slots and all of that. And people started rushing, people started paying, literally. For the first time in a while, I did not directly have to sell, right? We just showed these people the value in this training. And they were putting down their money literally. Why? Because we were about to give them something that worked. And guess what? The course is actually something that works, because till date, we've had people make thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars from using the information we teach on the course. Back to the story. So we launched the pre-order offer, and in the first week of launching that pre-order offer, we were able to make enough money to put into ads, to buy domain names and all of that, and build our infrastructure, and eventually start scaling this. Meanwhile, if you've been hearing about the Profitable Freelancing Academy and you want to learn how to land gigs on Upwork that pay you anything between $500 and $5,000 every month, the link to the course is in the description below and will be in the comments as well. So make sure you do check it out. Now, let me show you exactly how we built this funnel and scaled it to making $10,000 and counting right now. Step one is to sell the outcome. Now, we didn't just say there's a freelancing course coming up and all of that. We were specific. We said if you want to make anything between $500 and $5,000, this is the roadmap. What we are basically doing is that we are selling the transformation, not just the information. People don't want another course. People don't want another story, another information, another piece of information, basically. People want transformation. They want results. So we're able to sell results to them. Step two is to build a wait list. If you want to launch a course, I am not building a wait list yet. I don't know what to do. In fact, a lot of people use the wait list strategy, not even people that run online courses. People that want to launch apps, people that want to run new businesses. I heard somebody said that, and he's a very influential investor. He said that before he launches any business, he starts a wait list first. And what he says, oh, we're going to provide this service, this solution and all of that. Click on the link in in bio or click on the link anywhere around this video to join the waitlist to be the first person to hear. He said how he validates that thing is that if he has anywhere between 150 people to 700 people on that waitlist, then he knows that the product is going to sell when he finally launches it. So if you're not leveraging waitlists, I don't know what is wrong with you. Leverage waitlists. So we didn't waste time building a fancy course first. What we did was to validate our demand using the wait list. Remember the post. If you want to learn how to land gigs that pay you at least $500 per month on Upwork, click on this link. We have something for you. And that's how we got people to join the wait list. Listen, validation is free. So make sure you are using it. You don't pay people to join the wait list. I mean, they join it for free, right? So make sure you're using it. Step 3, pre-order before production. You know, the first sales came before we even recorded any single thing. And that's the beautiful thing about pre-ordering. You know, waitlist is a way to validate people's interest. Now, another way to validate that people are super interested and this thing is going to make you money is if they are able to put their money down, right? So you want to make sure you're doing pre-orders before production. Pre-orders before production. Don't rush and create the course first and record the videos and then be shocked to find that people are not willing to pay for it. Gauge people's interest, their interest level, their willingness to part with their money for the value you're about to provide for them. So make sure you're doing pre-orders as well. And that's one way to know if your offer is really good. The magic of a good offer is that people are willing to put down their money for the offer. So make sure you're doing pre-orders before you even record anything. Step 4, webinar funnel plus ads equals massive scale. So now that we had validated the offer, validated interest, gotten people to pay, what we now did is we now took monies from the sales realized and invested into ads. When I'm launching digital products, for the most part, I do not like to bring in my own money. I believe that a digital product business is a business that can pay for itself from scratch, especially if you've been able to build some form of leverage. Now, if you have not been able to build some form of leverage like myself in terms of having your name, your brand and all of that, then it's okay to, use your money to fund a lot of things. But I do not like to do it because of the leverage I built. So go build your own leverage. So what did we do? We took monies from the sales generated, we pumped it into ads, we put it into buying a domain name and hosting, we invested into building our LMS, our course hosting platform and all of that. And we went to work. So what do we do? A simple funnel. Ads plus landing page plus webinar equals massive sales. So we recorded a couple ads, then we send that ads to a webinar. So initially we were doing webinars every week. Once a week, every week. So we generate leads all through the week. And then on a Friday, we'll do the webinar. Myself and Mizar usually presented the webinar. We'll do that webinar every week. And that webinar was making us good money every week. And we saw that, the webinar results could be better if we switch to doing it twice a week. So we started doing twice a week. And we started doing 3 times a week. And right now, we are doing the webinars every day. The difference is now we're not doing it, we're not exactly holding live webinars every day. We are holding what we call just-in-time webinars. Now, in another video, I'll be able to break down how just-in-time webinars work. But for now, hold that thought. We are doing just-in-time webinars. So this is not complicated at all. It's not a complicated step process. Just simple ads, webinar, and then scale, massive sales. So for the ads, basically, we're doing like $100 per week. All right. And then I start making money, I start scaling, gradually start doing like $100 per day. And I think we're at that point where we're doing anything between $500 or more per day right now in ad spend. So what we're basically doing is slow, controlled scaling. We didn't burn cash. What we're doing is we're letting the performance of the ads, of the offer, of everything guide how we increase our budget. So I'm not saying, you were doing $100 per week before, then just boom, start doing $1,000 per week. What are your numbers saying? What are your numbers saying? Let that guide how you increase your ad budget and all of that. Number 5, stack social proof and then improve your offer. So as people went through the course, now this is a course that works 100%. So in the first few weeks, we started getting a lot of testimonials. This person landed their first job, this person landed their first $500 deal, this person landed their first $5,000 deal. Some shockers started coming in who got $9,000 deals, $11,000 gigs, and all of that. And what we do all of that is we start stacking proof. So we now had more proof to put into our webinars. So instead of just saying Messiah was able to do this and he showed his girlfriend, he showed his best friend did it. That was all the testimonials we had. Now we had proof from other people that are taking the training. So we have people that now done $11,000, $7,000, $500 here and there, $800 here and there, and all of that. We had a lot of proof, and then it made our offer more irresistible. Stacking proof basically makes your offer irresistible. It hits different from saying I can show you how to do this. I can do this for you. And when you say, I've done this before, I've helped this person do this, and this is the result they've gotten so far. Step 6, make it evergreen. So we move from doing webinars just once per week to 3 times a week to every day to now doing the webinars as evergreen webinars. Evergreen webinars are basically webinars that you go live on, probably record once, and then you automate it with different software such that when people attend the webinars, it feels like it's a live webinar, quote unquote, but you just did it live once and then you leave it to run and run and run over and over again. That way you conserve your energy because you cannot possibly be presenting a webinar every day, but that engine still keeps running to make you money. All you need to do is to, once in a while, do a new webinar, stack more, testimonials on the offer and all of that, and make a lot of money doing it. So you don't need a huge audience. You don't need to waste 6 months, doing research, building a product that nobody will buy at the end of the day. So you just need a transformation that people actually care about and they will put down their money for. You need a simple funnel, and then you need the guts to sell it even before you create it. That's $10,000 and counting right now anyway, came from one product, one message, and the guts to sell. So if you have knowledge that can benefit people, that can help people, that can transform lives, don't sit on it. Package it, launch it, and sell it. And if you want more breakdowns like this, where I go behind the scenes to show you how these things work, I'm able to build stuff and launch stuff and all of that, then you know exactly what to do. All you need to do right now is to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment on this video, and I'll see you in the next one. By the way, this video over here, I think will change your life if you watch it. So click right here and watch the video. See you there.